Hey, what's up guys? Deke, relaxshacks.com. I'm still unpacking. It's such a mess here. From Tiny House Summer Camp 12, number 13, next year, September 2024 has been announced. If you want to build with us, live speakers, live demos, I should say, guest speakers, tiny house tours. You see a lot of tree houses and cabins on the premises, multiple hosts. Camp out. Camping is free. It's a lot of fun. This is a warm-up exercise we start with before the workshop really starts, to get people kind of, it's an icebreaker. We do some box building, sawhorse building, bench building, garden bench building. And this little thing that people, it surprises me, they feel that it's kind of clever when I feel it's not, but it's perfect for tiny houses, especially ones on wheels, and I'll tell you why. And it's made out of scraps. So here's some scraps. Every time you're working, you're always going to end up with little pieces like this after you make 45 cuts. And these I always save because I can hide them as stabilization pieces in any build, even in mini tree houses, things like that. You can screw through here. Say this is a wall. That becomes a support for a shelf. It basically is a free version of one of these. This was an old IKEA one that was a few bucks. This is something I ordinarily would have thrown away, made out of nice natural raw materials, stained green because it's pressure treated, so maybe not that gorgeous. So I often have pieces like this as well. What I did is I trimmed these up so that they're identical, and I can show you how to make the simplest shelf. This is ripped off from the nautical world, and a lot of things in the tiny house world are, as we explain in these workshops and show you some tricks of the trade, tips, building secret shortcuts. So you're cutting two of these. They can be different lengths. I'm going to show you how easy this is and how effective it is for shelving. Not only for shelving in your tiny house, but your shed, your garage, your basement, your home, whatever. I mean, you can make this with forklift, pallet wood, all of it, even those little strut pieces. It basically is something you can build for free. So one beautiful thing is a lot of forklift pallet boards or planks. They come in either a 2x6 width or already as a 2x4 width. This was one piece. I ripped it by hand with a circular saw. Where is it? Right there. Table saw would work better, but in this case, this piece is the exact width I want for one of these, and this will become my little railing, so I'm going to save this piece. So it works out nicely. So just screw the ends on like so. The orientation of the shelf is actually like this. You can hang it. I'm going to put diagonally a screw through here to the wall. That's all you have to do at either end. If the shelf is long and you get some flop in the middle because you put a lot of heavy stuff on it, just add another one of these right in the middle. Another screw point. Now this piece I had left over, I'm just going to lay it wherever I want it as a railing. This is just like on boats, like I said, where everything's retained by a railing, by a strap. So in high seas or when the boat is moving or oscillating, things don't fall off the shelves. So it's going to look like that. I'll pin that in place. These hang in the wall. Doesn't look gorgeous, but for garages, sheds, tiny houses, forts, tree houses, whatever, they work very well. And you can make them probably in a shorter amount of time than this video took to watch. Once it's nailed together, it's basically a long spice rack. Or it doesn't have to be long. I mean, you can make this stupid thing a foot long if you wanted. Diagonally, a screw goes through here into the wall on either end. That's all that holds it up. 2 screws if you want. And it's as simple as that. Super easy, super effective, and something you can make out of nothing. Thanks for watching. As always, I'm Deke for relaxshacks.com. Please leave a comment. Maybe some other ideas, some things I should try with pallet wood, freebie, shelving, all that. And please subscribe, and we'll see you later.